So, for those who want to know and for those who don't know, this is a bauxite train. So, you might be curious what is in this train? No, it's not people, it's not passenger, it's bauxite, which is a dirt. Bauxite is a sedimentary rock with a relatively high aluminum content. So, it's dirt, mainly red dirt that was mined, and it's being loaded on the train and it's being taken to the Jamaica plant for refining, right? After refining, it will go through another process called smelting, and after smelting, it goes through the fabricating process. After that process, it is normally loaded on ships and sent abroad to make aluminum, which we use to make a lot of stuff like cement, pots, etc.